Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about counting number of digits in a given integer program. In our last class, we discussed some simple example on loops. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, given an integer value, we need to count number of digits in that integer value. That is what the output we need to display. Input 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Assume that our integer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our output should be 5. If you given the input is 1, 5, 1, 6. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. So output should be 4. So we need to write a program for this. Our input should be an integer value, output should be a count value, number of digits in that integer value. Coming to the first, we are going to understand the logic part, then we go and understand how this logic can be implemented in the program. Because these are the beginner classes, we are going pin to pin explanation. So understand it properly. First we need to identify the logic. See, from the basic mathematics, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is the number. Take this number. If it is divisible by 10, if you divide that number by 10, 567.8. Forget about the decimal part. Take only the integer part. What is the value? What is the output? 567. 567 divided by 10. If you make the division, what is the value? 56 point something, but we are considering only the integer part. That's why 56. 56 divided by 10, 5. 5 divided by 10, 0 point something. We are taking only the integer part. That's why 0. See here, the point you have to understand. 4 numbers are there. After how many divisions we are going to get 0? After 4 divisions, we are getting the output as 0. Similarly, 5 digits are there. After 5 divisions, you are going to get an output of 0. So this is the logic we need. This is what the actual logic is. We need to place this logic into our programming concepts, which we discussed in our previous classes. So how we implement that? So coming to the logic programming concept, int x is equal to 18. In our previous classes, when we discussed the arithmetic operators, we discussed this point. X is equal to 18. X is equal to x divided by 10. X is an integer type variable. 18 by 10 means 1.8, but it is going to consider only the integer part. Means x contains only 1. So if you define your variable input as integer variable and keeps on dividing that number and keeps on assigning to the same variable x until you get 0, until you get 0. That's the logic, that's the logic. So coming to this, int I is equal to 5675. Some number we have taken, you can take any other number. This I is assigned to another variable z. So why we are assigning this to another variable z? It is not compulsory to assign I to z variable, but if in the programming, if you need the variable I, the value that present in I, so you should not change that value that present in I if you want to use that value. So that's why if you want to change that's why we are taking this value into another variable. It is not compulsory. Here we are considering it as this variable into another variable called z. Z is equal to I. Means the z value consists of 5675. And we are taking another variable, count. Count is equal to 0. Initially count is equal to 0. And coming to the logic part, while, see, z not equal to 0. So the loop condition should be executed until z value is 0. So initially z variable is 5675. 5675 not equal to 0. Go inside the loop. What we have to do inside the loop? When we go inside the loop means we are taking out one digit. Means we have to divide that z value by 10. Z is equal to z by 10. 5675 divided by 10 means 567. Next time z value is 567. Next time z value is 56. Next time z value is 5. Next time z value is 0. So if z is having 4 digits, we go inside the loop 4 times. If Z is having 5 digits, we go inside the loop 5 times. Each time when we enter into the loop, increment the count value. Increment the count value. So this is how, these are the simple examples, but if you understand them properly, if you have proper visualization of the concept properly on this basic examples, so whenever we discuss the next in our website, we are going to do some different assignments and practice tests, those will be very easy to understand. So after coming out of the loop, one more important point, while open brackets, closed brackets, this while loop is going to be executed 4 times. And each time the count variable is going to be incremented. After coming out of this loop, what is the value that present in count? Number of digits. So here in our example, count is equal to 4. After coming out of this loop, we have to display System.out.println of count. So our output is 4. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.